Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are gonna make a Peruvian Pisco Sour. It's an elegant and delicious cocktail. A Peruvian Pisco Sour uses ice cubes, syrup or white sugar, ground cinnamon, fresh lime juice, white egg, and of course the Peruvian Pisco. But what is Pisco? It is made by distilling fermented grape juice into a high-proof alcohol. And I don't have Angostura bitters, but if you have it, you only need a few drops, okay? First, I separate white egg apart. So now let's add some ice cubes to my blender. Then the white egg, lemon juice to taste, syrup or white sugar to taste, and pisco. In my case, for 2 glasses, 2 to 3 fingers of measurements. A little bit of water, cover and blend it out until the mixture will be white. And now I want to see if the pisco sour is ready, or maybe we need to add more sugar or lemon or pisco. And yes, I'm adding more syrup, ice cubes, and lemon juice to taste. Blend it out again. And now my pisco sour is perfect and ready to serve. I have this kind of glasses and I think they are perfect for this cocktail. And here I have my ground cinnamon. The cinnamon cut the smell or any flavor above egg, okay? And the decoration will be more nice. And this is the final result about my Peruvian Pisco Sour. I hope you liked my recipe. If you are new here on my channel, please subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my coton de tulear. She has own videos every Saturday here on my channel, and she's with me every Wednesdays in my recipes. See you next time. Bye-bye.